Every journey has a story, and every story starts with a vision. But between the dream and the departure lies one crucial step: the budget. How do we navigate the vast landscapes of our dreams and the real-world numbers of our bank accounts? Welcome back, friends, to the next episode of our travel series. Join us as we unveil the secrets to crafting the perfect budget that respects both your wanderlust and your wallet. From finding hidden gems to knowing when to save or splurge, let's ensure that every journey is as rewarding as the destination. Are you ready? Let's begin. Let us focus on setting a realistic budget to ensure that your travel dreams become a reality. In our last video, we focused on some of the intricate details that you should consider when choosing your dream destination. Now let's focus on setting a realistic budget to ensure that your travel dreams become a reality. Today, we're diving into step 2, setting a realistic budget. Before we start planning flights and booking hotels, let's talk about the foundation of a successful trip: your budget. Proper budget planning is essential to avoid any financial hiccups during your adventure. Imagine exploring your dream destination without constantly checking your wallet. That's the goal. Let's break down the numbers. When calculating your budget, consider these key expenses: flights, accommodation, transportation, meals, activities, and a contingency fund. Researching flight prices, accommodation options, and estimating daily expenses will help you form a clear picture. Here's a pro tip. Use technology to your advantage. There are amazing travel budgeting apps, online calculators, and spreadsheets designed to help you track your spending. These tools keep you on top of your finances and ensure that you're within your budget limits. Good travel planning is all about balance. Prioritize the experiences that truly matter to you. Maybe you're a foodie who can't wait to sample local cuisine, or perhaps you're an adventure seeker eyeing that breathtaking skydiving experience. Allocate more funds where it counts and focus on what brings you the most joy. Be prepared for the unexpected. Flexibility is key. Life on the road can throw you some curveballs, and a contingency fund is crucial for handling any unexpected expenses that might pop up. Remember, flexibility in adjusting your plans can add a sense of adventure to your journey. It's your journey. Embrace the spontaneity. And there you have it, the art of setting a realistic budget, starting with creating a solid financial plan. Remember, every journey has a story, and every story starts with a vision. Between the dream and the departure lies one crucial step: the budget. Now that you have a solid financial plan in place, you are well on your way to creating an unforgettable journey to your dream destination. See you in the next video, and travel well, friends.